Welcome to the Okefenokee Swamp by Bookworm Bonny. The Okefenokee Swamp is a large wetland located in southeast Georgia and northeast Florida. It is also a wildlife refuge, so many plants and animals that live in the swamp are protected. There are some animals in the swamp that are endangered. This means that there are not many of them living today. Therefore, they are in danger of dying out completely. Many years ago, the location of the Okefenokee Swamp was part of an ocean, and the land was underwater. It is now filled with lakes and floating islands of peat. Peat is a type of soil made when dead plants build up in layers. There are many trees and plants that grow on top of the peat. There are trees living in the swamp that are up to 900 years old. Question: what do trees hand out at concerts? Answer: leaflets. The Okefenokee is the largest blackwater swamp in North America. The dark color of the water is caused by years of slow-moving water filtering through vegetation and decay. The color of the water in the swamp causes it to be very reflective. This can be seen at Mirror Lake. Many years ago, Native Americans lived in the Okefenokee Swamp. They called it the land of trembling earth. This is because the unstable peat deposits that cover much of the swamp floor tremble when stepped on. Okefenokee is a European interpretation of their words. There are many animals that live in the Okefenokee Swamp, but one of the most famous is the American alligator. Alligators are cold-blooded reptiles that can live up to 60 years. To warm themselves, alligators bask in the sun. Alligators like swampy areas, so it's not surprising that there are around 13,000 alligators that live in the Okefenokee Swamp. Question: what do alligators drink before a race? Answer: Gatorade. This alligator is nesting in the Okefenokee Swamp. This means she has laid eggs and has made a nest for her eggs. The nest is a mound made of mud, sticks, leaves, grass, and other plants. She is very protective of her nest and is guarding it to protect her babies from predators. Predators are animals that will hunt, catch, and eat other animals. Alligators are also predators. They will eat fish, snakes, small animals, turtles, and even baby alligators. Question: what's worse than one alligator coming to dinner? Answer: 2 alligators coming to dinner. This alligator, known as Crazy, is the largest alligator in the Okefenokee Swamp. Crazy is 13 feet long. The largest alligator ever recorded was 15 feet long. This is a picture of Crazy swimming in the Okefenokee Swamp. The Okefenokee Swamp is also home to the eastern diamondback rattlesnake. This is the largest venomous snake in North America. Venomous means that it injects poison into its prey. They can grow to be up to 6.5 feet, but the largest one ever recorded was 8 feet. They are also predators. They eat rodents and ground-dwelling birds. Question: what snake is a member of a band? Answer: the rattlesnake. The Okefenokee Swamp is also home to the American black bear. These bears weigh 250 to 500 pounds. They usually live 8 to 15 years. There are about 5,100 American black bears in Georgia. Question: why don't bears like fast food? Answer: because they can't catch it. The Okefenokee is not only home to many animals, but also many plants. One plant that is found in the Okefenokee is the American white water lily. This flower is known for its sweet scent. It was also used as medicine by the Native Americans who lived in the swamp. They used it to treat coughs, colds, and toothaches. This is the view of the Okefenokee Swamp from 90 feet up in the air. That is how tall the lookout tower is that is located in the swamp. Okefenokee Swamp is a great place to visit. Just be sure to watch out for the gators. You never know when or where one could be lurking.